What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, Living with Lala. My name is Lala and this is Lala Land. For those of you who don't know, if you want to know more and become part of the family, just go ahead and press that subscribe button and you are in, okay? Period. And as you can see by the thumbnail and title, I am giving you this soft glam makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this bomb look, just continue to watch the video, enjoy, and let's go. Okay, so I am filling in my brows with the NYX micro brow pencil, and this is in the color ash brown. And then I also just went in with my concealer to clean up my brows from NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color caramel. Okay, so I'm going in with that loose powder in the color banana, going over my eyelids as I set the concealer that I applied to keep it from creasing as I get ready to apply my eyeshadow. Putting the loose powder on your eyelids also gives it a smoother transition and blending for your eyeshadows. Excuse the used palettes, but I am going with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and for my eyeshadows I will be using Burnt Orange, Sienna, and Bronze. Okay, so now getting started to the face. I was too lazy to mix my foundations together because, as you know, as the weather changes, your skin tone and skin texture changes as well. So to do my foundation, I did go in with the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and I used a Sculpt. And for my concealer, I went in with the same concealer I used for my brows, and that is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Caramel. And now we just blend. And you can use a beauty blender or a brush. It just depends on your preference. Same concealer for my nose to highlight. I just went in with the Real Techniques brush, and this is the Demon Shadow brush. And I just used that brush to blend out the concealer on my nose. And for my contour, I went back with the Black Radiance Medium to Dark Cream Contour Palette, and I just used the contour shade. With the contour, you use a shade that is 2 to 3 times darker than your skin tone, and you just put it to wherever you want your face to have that definition, to sculpt it out and give it some structure. And it all depends on how your facial features are. If you do have any problems with contouring your face, just go ahead and just suck your cheeks in as if you just sucked on a sour lemon. And wherever you see your cheekbones or your jawline suck in or stand out, just use that 2 tones darker and use that to contour it all. And I am going in with a buffing brush. I've always loved this brush. Just by the way it's made, it helps me to blend everything out without spreading the product all over my face. And of course, that is, again, with the control of my hand and how I blend it out as well. But this is one of my favorite brushes. And as you can see, your girl face is blended, and I'm under that light, and I look very good. Okay, so now I am going to set my face. In all the places I applied the light color concealer, and I am going in with the Black Radiance Loose Powder in the color Banana, and this is just setting my face in all the right places just to make sure that it stands out and it stays in place. I use the sponge more than I use a brush because the sponge gives me the security of knowing that the pressed powder is pressed into my skin and it'll give me that flawless look. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Black Radiance Powdered Contour Palette in the color Contour to go in all the places I contoured my face earlier. And I am using the Real Techniques buffing brush. This brush allows me to contour to my best abilities to make sure that everything is a flawless finish. And to contour your nose, it will be a different brush, obviously, a smaller brush at that, and you're just going to use that contour palette to sculpt out your nose of where you applied that contour, cream contour before, and you're just going to bring it into your brows to give it that more natural look. And I am going back in with the pressed powder in the color Banana just to go back over and give it a more out look, being that I did apply my contour and it kind of took away of that brightness of my face. And yeah. For this look, I am using 3 different setting sprays only because I do love them combined together, and also it does give me that snatched and set look. And I am doing pictures later on for my lashes that I will be promoting on my Instagram and for my website later on in this month. For the setting sprays I used the Kiss Professional Pro Touch Makeup Setting Spray, and then the Urban Decay All Nighter Ultra Matte, and then Morphe Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist. For my highlighter, I am going in with Highlight Dust from Bake Shop Cosmetics. Y'all be sure to use my code LaKeisha10. My lips with this Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the color Molasses. Then my lip gloss is NYX Lingerie Gloss in the color Sable. It's giving beach, it's giving skin, it's giving flawless face, okay? Everything is just perfectly done. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. I am loving this look up close and personal, you feel me? Look at that. And for my waterline, I did go back in with Noor from the Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Mentioned before, I do have my own line of lashes and more coming out, so I'm just going to give you guys a preview of some of the lashes I do have on my website, and just check them out. You guys follow me on my Instagram and TikTok, for I will be displaying them, and you can find all of my information of my line there. Okay, yeah. And the lash I will be putting on myself is in the style Luscious. I absolutely love this lash. It's literally kind of my go-to of all I wear for my everyday look because it is nice and fluffy and full. And of course, these are minks, okay? And as you can see, I did get a little lash glue on my fingers, but the good thing about my lashes is I do provide the lash applicator, which are the lash tweezers and the lash brushes. So for those who don't like the glue on your nails or your hands, it'll be easy for you guys. So make sure you guys shop with me, La La Land Beauty. so I'm just giving you guys the final and finished look. I love it. It is so soft and subtle, yet it gives off a great statement. It is a everyday look, soft glam. It just feels very full with this red hair. It's giving you fierce. It's giving you bomb. Okay, this is so pretty, so pretty. And then I'm just under a different lighting, and I will be uploading more clips with different lighting. If you guys do love this look, just go ahead and hit that like button for me and let me know in the comments. Okay, this is with some filters. Before you guys go, if you loved everything that you saw today, don't forget to subscribe to become part of the family. Like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys in the next video.